YouTube, it's your girl Eve here. So I am coming to y'all with a video, kind of like my daughter's the inspiration. So I'm about to just show you guys how I style her and get her ready, how I do her hair. I think I'm going to do some kind of toddler lemonade braids, my version anyway. So, okay guys, here I'm just detangling her hair by spraying some detangling spray that I made myself using coconut oil and water. And to detangle her hair, all I do is section her hair into fours. So I'm just starting with the back. I section it into twos. And I just spray it with the detangling spray, and I start from the tip all the way to the root. So you start from the ends of the hair and just comb through to the root using a wide tooth comb. So that's just what I'm doing here. And she was not having it. She wasn't feeling it. She didn't want her hair combed that day. So yeah guys, I'm just finishing up on the other side, spraying it with the detangling spray and just combing through. In this detangling spray, the bottle I use is, I like the bottle because it's not anything fancy. It's just the bottle I use for my setting spray. I like it because it sprays a mist and it keeps it from getting too wet. So you don't want it too wet, but you want it just wet enough so the comb goes through. So I'm just parting the front and sectioning that off also. And I'm just spraying it with that spray and making sure that it's coated. All of her hair is coated. And using a wide tooth comb to just comb through. And spraying it with the detangling spray just helps. It keeps it from hurting them. It helps a lot. So yeah guys, I'm just doing the same thing to the other side. I had to step away for a moment. And now I'm back. So yeah, I'm just doing the same thing to the other side, spraying it with the detangling spray and combing it from the ends of her hair and working my way to the roots. So all done. Now I'm just using the Curly Kids coconut oil to oil her hair and keep it moisturized. And I'm just making sure all her hair is coated. So now I'm just going to prep her hair for braiding. So I'm just going to make a part diagonal in an upward position, like kind of like at an angle. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm just making sure the part is nice and straight as I can get it anyway. And I'm just bringing that part all the way up to the middle of her head. You want to try to get it, you want the two braids to meet. So that's just what I'm doing here. Just trying to find a good angle of where I want the braid to be. So now I'm just making sure that part is nice and straight and it meets right in the middle. So now, guys, I'm just clamping her hair, the back of her hair, to move it out of the way. And I'm just braiding her up into a braid. Yeah, that's just what I'm doing here. And you don't want to make it too tight. And trust me, it's not tight. She's just not in the mood to get her hair done. So well, giving them some type of entertainment really helps. Like here, she's just on my phone watching a cartoon. So you want to give them something to do so that she was really mad. You want to give them something to do so that they'll allow you to do their hair. So yeah, sometimes she'll sit still and relax. Today, I guess she just wasn't in the mood. So yeah, guys, here I'm just finishing up that braid. And I'm just gonna, I had to take it down because she was moving. Just finishing it up though. All right, all done. So now to the other side, I'm just going to do the same thing, guys, to the other side that I did on the other side. Yeah. So that's just what I'm doing. Parting her hair up at an angle and getting ready to braid it up. Same thing that I did on this side. Whew. So all done with that braid, guys, and now I'm just doing the little part of the front of her hair. I'm going to start on that. And yeah, I'm going to start by using this Kids Organical Styling Gel. This stuff works really good and it's very inexpensive. It was like $5 at Walmart. So I just use a little bit of that to, and I put it on her edges around the roots of her hair, just to straighten it and lay it, make it really straight. So here I'm just using this toothbrush that I purchased. I like to use the toothbrush because it just really gets the job done. You could go and buy one of those edge brushes. They do have those at any beauty supply. But I like the way the toothbrush does it. Excuse me, my voice just cracked. I like the way the toothbrush does. It gets the job done. So I just been continuing to use that. So yeah, I'm just dipping the toothbrush in some of that edge control, well, not edge control, but styling gel. And you see how it just made her hair really slick, because she has really curly hair, so it just lays her hair really straight. And these are just some butterfly bows that I got from Walmart. They were like $2.50, so they was really inexpensive. And they just add a cute little look to the style. So yeah, guys, I'm just wrapping that bow. And you don't want to put it too tight. You don't want to wrap it too tight. You don't want it to pull on their hair, and it really hurts if you wrap it too tight. So yeah, just careful not to wrap it too tight. So here I'm just poofing out her hair, adding a little bit of that styling gel just to kind of define her curls and make it shiny. And then I'm adding a little bit to the braid also. And I'm just starting with the back of her, doing the same thing, like laying her edges and putting some of that styling gel around the roots of her hair to straighten it for the ponytails. So that's just what I'm doing here. And that styling gel, it doesn't leave her hair white or cakey or hard. You know how most gels, they'll leave your kid's hair or your hair feeling really hard. This doesn't do that. It's a really good gel for kids, and she's 2, so it works very well. And she has sensitive skin, so a lot of stuff break her out, so I have to be cautious of what I use. And guys, this stuff works so good. I swear by this stuff. You got to try it. If your kid has like, sometimes Kennedy's hair is like unmanageable, so this works. So yeah, here I'm just spraying some of that detangling spray just because her ends were kind of, I don't know, tangled, so it helped. And then I'm trying to stretch her hair a little bit because she has really bad shrinkage. And this is how I stretch her hair. I just comb through, and then I kind of, not pull it, but just kind of tug at it a little bit. And now I'm just getting it ready for the curls by adding some of the styling gel to the roots and brushing it down. So that's just what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to add one of those cute little butterfly bows. And these are so cute. They just add a lot of cuteness to any style, guys. They are so cute. I love these little bows. And look, she likes them. She likes them too. So now I'm just going to twist her hair. I'm just twisting it all the way down to the ends. And this is how I stretch her hair also. And I'm just going to add a cute little pink bow. And I wrap it twice. And then I add a rubber band. This just helps to keep the barrette from falling off, because her hair is really soft. So sometimes she loses a lot of her barrettes. So this is what I do to keep them from falling off. So I just wrap it twice and I add a rubber band. And I'm trying to show you guys what it looks like, but she's not feeling it. So, yeah. So there, you guys can see. It's just a cute little hairstyle that took about 10 minutes. If you're a mommy on the go. All done. So now I'm just spraying some of that detangling spray just to define her curls. And you also can do 2 twists in the front to this style. Also, it's versatile. You can add 2 twists, 3 twists, and put some barrettes in the front also. But I chose not to do that because I really love her curls and I just like showing them off. So that's just what I chose to do, but you can add whatever you like. So yeah, we were just FaceTiming her godmom. All right, guys, all done. I hope you guys like this style. This was just a quick little 10-minute toddler hairstyle tutorial. You guys will see more of these videos, so I hope you like it. She really liked it. So, yeah, here's the finished results. And her dad is in the back asleep, and he probably going to get me for getting him in the camera. I was not even paying attention at the time, and I didn't want to edit it out because I wanted you guys to really see this hairstyle because it was just really quick. And of course, I am an excellent braider, but she was making it very difficult. So they're not as crisp as I would have liked, but you get the gist. You can create your own little style. So this is just me trying to show you guys different ways I style my toddler's hair. So yeah. More style videos coming from Kennedy. So this video was all about my little princess. And there will be more videos coming from my baby. Say bye. Say bye-bye. From Eve and Brian. So Kennedy says bye. We'll see you guys. Bye. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye. Bye.